free from anything, from dirt, from creams. That's why it's actually guys, I just try this product. So alam kung tama itong paggamit ko. Or ipipress mo ba siya ng harder or just quicker than that. Just go with the flow, right? But you know what guys, this is my third day of using it. Third day. And actually I saw a bit of improvement with my skin. Sometimes my skin looks dull. Jeez. I don't think my deep to the forehead. Medyo nawala. Oopsie daisy. Nagbabibrate siya pagka nag-contact na siya sa skin. This is from Alma Skin. I think that's enough for me. That's enough for now. I think that's it. It says use it every day, the function. So this one is my favorite one. Plumps the face and collagen productions and even out skin tone. Okay. Oopsie. It says here high now, but that's enough. This blue I don't know, just search Alma Skin guys and you'll see this one. This is the clean mode green one. I don't know what this clean mode do. That's what it says. Can't give you enough information, but all this technology nowadays are really cool na. Then wipe mo lang siya ng ganyan. You can't wash it. That's it. And then I'll put it back sa box. I don't know. I'll just put it back here for now. Like that. And what next to do is I'm gonna put my skincare now. Night routine, but there's no difference with my night and day routine. This is my Cora Organics eye oil. I've been using this for a while already. So one bottle takes forever actually to finish. So this one, it's very effective. Cora Organics. You know Miranda Kerr? Yeah, that's her products, and her products are all organics and very nice and gentle to the skin. And I like it. Very expensive nga lang guys. So this eye oil lang yung medyo carry kong bilhin. The rest I tried before. It's too much. Too much. I wish Cora Organics will go cheaper, half cheaper. Then it will be fine. And this is my vegan collagen serum. Vegan collagen serum. I hope this is my new routine now. Without plumping. I wash my face. Oh no, I wash my face only with water and then I wipe it with the cleansing wipes. And I use that Alma Skin. Actually, what is the term of this thing by the way guys? Facial. It's called LED light therapy. Alma Skin LED Light Therapy. Yep. Therapy. Bagay siguro yun sa mga medyo aging skin na. Like mine. Ni-maintain ko lang yung aking youthful look. Youthful look daw ha! Ay. That's it. Did I put in my neck? Wala namang bagay sa neck. Pag tinatanggal yung aking necklace, kailangan ko nang matulog. That's it. Hindi na ako maglalagay ng cream for tonight. Serum na lang. Pwede na yun. Pwede rin itong Juniper Sensitive Moisturizing Lotion. Moisturizing lotion. Tapos ko nalalagay. Hindi ako dapat naglalagay ng cream eh. Kasi na. And just everyone using this purple ointment, just a lip balm. Lip oil. That's it. Oil lang. Tutulog na po eh. That's all for tonight, guys. Ready na pong matulog yung lola niyo. Parang nag-makeup lang papunta matulog. Thank you for watching. Arte. Bye.